Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I am going to be doing a quick review on this paper that I got from Koala. This is the Pearl Glossy Photo Paper, and I'm going to test it out today, just a regular print. Nothing more, just a regular print, just to see what the quality of it looks like. Just print it out, okay? So I already have it set up. One of the things about this one right here is 115 grams. So this is considered their thin paper. They also have a medium and a thick, and both of them you can get in the Pearl Glossy, which I think might be a really great idea. The thicker ones for my notepad covers. So I might consider that. But today I'm just going to do a regular print to see what the Pearl Photo Glossy looks like and what the quality is. Now, this one actually comes with 40 sheets, and you can tell which side you're going to print on. There's no markings or anything on the back of the paper, but it just looks like a plain white piece of paper. But then on this side, you can tell that this one has like a shiny, that pearl glossy look. So I have my image ready to print out, and I'm going to go ahead and print that out, and we're going to see what the quality is together. All right, so give me one moment here to get over to my other screen, and I'm just going to go ahead and hit print. I already have the paper loaded in my printer, and we're just going to see what it looks like. So I just took a photo, an old photo of myself when I was sitting at my dining room table, and we're just going to see what it prints out like. So again, this is Pearl Photo Glossy paper, 40 sheets. It's considered the thin, but they also sell it in the medium and the thick. You guys know that we're getting ready to hit Thanksgiving and Christmas time, and you take a lot of photos. And if you have a really great quality photo, then you don't have to go and pay someone to print your photos out for you. You can do it in the quality or in the comfort of your own home and make quality printouts for yourself. Get you some nice picture frames. Now, I don't have a really nice picture frame. This is just a picture frame that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to put it in here just to kind of see what it looks like. But we're going to test out the quality together. I did put, since there's a black border here, I did put like a black border around the picture just to see what it's going to look like. You can see that there's nothing inside here. Boop. So we're going to test it out. It's printing out now. And we're just going to see what it looks like together. So today's Friday, and my goal is to print I'm not print, but to craft all weekend. All weekend. This is what I live for. All right, hold on. I'm going to grab the print. So for some reason, my printer kind of acted up on the very end. But look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Like the quality of it, I really love that pearl kind of look. I'm going to sit it inside of this frame, even though the bottom didn't come out like I wanted it to. But I'm just going to sit it inside this frame if I can. And I'm just going to put a couple of pieces of tape here just to hold it in place. And then I'm going to hold it up so you guys can get a better visual. But oh my God, the quality of this paper is amazing. Hold on one second. going to take this in place and hope that it doesn't move here. But again, like I said, Christmas, Thanksgiving coming up. You're going to need some good quality paper to do your own prints, guys. Stop paying, you know, Office Max and Office Depot and all these people to print out photos for you when you can do it in the comfort of your own home. It doesn't take a really quality printer. It's the print, it's the quality of the paper that you're using. So get you some good quality paper like this one. All right, let me make sure that I got this. I might have to put it down. Hold on 1 second. I want you guys to be able to see this. That's probably why it wasn't sticking, because I was putting it on the wrong side. All right, let's try this again. All right, so one side. A little piece of tape there. But like I said, I'm going to be crafting all weekend. So you guys are going to be, I want you to stay tuned for some really great tutorials to be coming out this weekend for me or from me. I'm going to be doing some sublimation on some baby onesies and baby hats and baby mittens, little gloves. So it's going to be really, really interesting. I had to look at my camera because I thought it wasn't recording and I was about to go crazy. All right, let's see if I put this down on there like that, what that's gonna look like. Oh, it is so pretty. Guys, if this thing would have printed out that bottom, oh yeah, it would be fire. But hold on 1 second. I'm just gonna tape it on this side. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be getting me some really good picture frames, and I'm probably gonna use this paper up. Or you could even do gifts, guys. Family pictures that you take at Christmas and Thanksgiving of family members that you haven't seen in a long time. Get you some of this good Pearl Photo Glossy Paper. Print them out, print those photos out, put them in a nice picture frame, and send them to your family members. You know, tell them, hey, your Christmas gift, it's coming after Christmas. It's nothing wrong with that, because they are going to love this idea. Okay, I can't get it all on this little ghetto little picture frame, but isn't the quality of that really good? I'm trying to get it close so you guys can see. Look at the quality of that. And just imagine if it was in a true picture frame with glass and everything. I hate that that shine keeps getting on there, but look at the quality of that. Isn't that nice? Come on, guys. We got to stop spending our money. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm not sure why it cut down here on that bottom. I'm not sure why it cut down there. But that would have been perfect if that bottom part of the black would have printed out. So I'm going to try it again just to see. But this paper is amazing. It is amazing. This just goes to show you guys, you can get some nice quality photos at home. You do not have to pay Office Max, Office Depot, all those people to print out photos for you. Look at the clarity of that on that Pearl Photo Glossy. That is beautiful. Beautiful. And I'm not talking about the picture. You know what I'm saying? Or the person in the picture. I'm not talking about them being beautiful. What I'm saying is this prints out beautiful on this Pearl Photo Glossy. Look at that. Can you see the quality of that? All right, so that's it. I wanted to share this with you guys because we're getting really close to Christmas and Thanksgiving, and you need some ideas, guys, of things that you can do. If you have some pictures from last year, from Thanksgiving and Christmas, those would be great for you to now printout on this type of paper, this Pearl. It's make sure you get the Pearl Photo Glossy. I'll put it in the description, but get the Pearl Photo Glossy. And like I said, it comes in thin, it comes in medium, and it also comes in thick. So this is the thin. I think I might end up trying the thick, because I think that thick would work really great as the cover for my notepads. I was looking on here to see if this one had a thickness on the cover, but it doesn't. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. But guys, you can't beat that. You can't beat the quality of that. I hope you guys can see it really good. Don't focus on that, okay? But the quality of this paper is really, really nice, and how that prints out. I'm trying to look to make sure you don't have that glare on there, because it keeps getting that, see that glare? Now you see the glare, but the quality, amazing. Hands down, amazing. This is one of the best photo glossy papers that I've had. I always get like the Walmart Pen and Gear or whatever, but this is so much better. And I don't know if it's because it's the Pearl Photo Glossy, but the quality of this paper is really, really nice, that Pearl Photo Glossy. It's hand down the best, all right? So I wanted to share that with you. Stay tuned, because I'll be doing other projects using this paper. I just wanted to show you the quality of it, just the quality of it alone, and just a regular photograph so you can see what it looks like. And then I may do some coasters, or some other projects with it. But first, I'm going to figure out why my printer didn't get my bottom down here, okay? All right, so this is Koala. I will put a link in the description, like I said. And, you know, this is the time, guys, to start thinking about what are you going to do for Christmas for family members, friends, or just items that you can sell. You know, quality, 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 quality paper makes the difference. It's not the printer all the time. I mean, even though the printer can enhance it as well, but that paper makes a big difference. And this paper is amazing. So I'm really glad I tested it out, just to show you just the quality of the paper alone. And yeah, 40 sheets, 8.5 by 11. This is the thin, okay? And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to jump on and share that with you guys, and let you know that I'm going to be crafting all weekend. So stay tuned for some really great tutorials to come your way. I'm going to be sublimating on baby onesies and hats and some mittens to make like a 3-piece set. And I'm excited about that. So stay tuned, because I'm going to share it with you. You already know. You don't even have to ask me. Yeah, I'm going to share it with you. All right. So, hey, guys, if you're currently following me on my Facebook group, or in my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me and following me on my Facebook group, Candoris's Cricut and Creative Crafters. And if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I really appreciate you guys for the love and support that you show me. And please, please, please like, share, and comment, you know, on the tutorials, because that helps me to know if I'm headed in the right direction or if I'm not. And I love constructive criticism. I was about to say criticism. I don't know where that came from. But, you know, when you give feedback like, you know, negative feedback that doesn't really help me or you, you know, I'm just going to delete it. So don't waste your time, okay? Anyway, so yeah, guys, thank you so much. Please, please, please follow me on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have over 300 crafting tutorials out there to help you, from anything from sublimation, from painting, Cricut things, greeting cards, you name it. All right, guys, that's it. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. And you guys know my motto is each one reach one, so that each one can teach one. And you guys have a great day. Bye.